how to get into the Ocean Park, guys, from here in Wan Chai. We're going to ride MTR, guys. Ayan. We're going to find, guys, going to Admiralty. Ayan, the blue line. So guys, ayan, hanapin nyo yung green line, South Island line from Admiralty, guys. Ayan, South Island line, the green line. Ayan guys, ito na tayo to South Horizon. And tingnan nyo po yung doon. Ayan, next station is from here in Admiralty. Next station is Ocean Park. Ayan guys, baka makatulugan nyo. Ayan, one station lang. Now we're here, guys, in Admiralty. We're going to transfer. Wan Chai, guys. Yan, this is next station. We go here, Admiralty. Yan, this is the Ayan, guys. Ayan, guys. Andito na tayo, guys. Ayan, mag-exit tayo. Exit B. Ayan, exit B, guys. Ayan, exit B, guys, sa Ocean Park, Hong Kong. Ayan, guys. This is it. Ayan, easy lang, guys. Ayan, nandito na tayo sa Ocean Park. Ayan, we reach Ocean Park now, guys. Ayan, it's just easy. For the first time, medyo malilito ka, pero madali lang. May mga naman. Ako nga, pangalawang time na. Pero nalito pa din ako. Ayan. Direct na, guys, sa exit B. Guys, merong i-check nila yung bag mo sa entrance. Ayan, dito na po tayo. They're going to check your bag bago ka magpasok. Guys, bago tayo makapasok sa loob, bago tayo punta muna tayo dito sa admission ticket. Ayan, pipila tayo, guys, ulit dito. Ayan, kukuha tayo ng ticket kung kailangan yung kumuha ng ticket, kasi bago ka pumasok kailangan may ticket, guys. Ayan, ang pilahan ng mga ticket. Pero pag birthday mo, sabi nila free. So, i-try natin, guys, because today is my special day. Ayan, dito, guys, ang pilahan. Ayan. I think 300 something, 300 plus bawat isa. Check natin. Kasi sa akin daw free. So, I'm just showing them my ID. Ay! Mali. Before you come in, if it's your birthday, you need to go to the information room to get an appointment. And then it's easy to get an appointment. You just go there. If you don't have an appointment online, you just go there in information room, and then they will take you a picture. They will fix everything, and then you go back again in admission ticket. If it's not your birthday, you will pay 388, guys. Here, let's go. Here, guys. They're going to give you this one. Ayan. Ticket. This is my ticket. Ayan. My ID. Ayan, guys. So, ready to go in. Ayan, let's go in na. See you there, guys. Ayan, let's go in.